With a variety of different backgrounds, our wellness coaches and coordinators bring many things to the table, which helps increase both enthusiasm and engagement of the wellness programs. Wellness coaches and coordinators add value to large company meetings by hosting seminars, trainings, and workshops on site for employees. With one of our wellness coordinators being a certified group fitness instructor, we can bring on-site fitness classes to large client meetings. Not only does this help give everyone a great workout, but it brings people together and allows us to share a common interest, health and fitness.
Our team has received raving reviews about the teaching kitchens. We have a head chef that leads an interactive and fun group cooking lesson, while the wellness coach coordinator provides information on how the meal provides adequate nutrition for the body.
One of the services we provide at locations that don't have gym staff are called active gym sessions. Many times participants want to use the facilities but just aren't comfortable using the equipment. During active gym sessions, we can show participants how to use the machines, answer any questions they may have, and actually demonstrate exercises as well. This is also a great way to market coaching services, as other individuals are in there and will want to know about what we're doing. Once we show your team members how to use the equipment, they'll be ready to embark on their new fitness journey.
Are you tired of setting up annual biometric screenings all across America? We understand there's a lot that goes into the process. Between vendor selection and event promotion and setup, biometric screening planning can go on for 6+ months. Let our team take the weight off your shoulders and manage the entire process from start to finish. We will even travel to any site requested when an on-site wellness presence is needed.
WebMD On-Site Wellness Solutions. We're in your face, but at your pace.